Hello and welcome to 48302 Adams Drive, located in Macomb Township. And yes, this does have the award-winning Utica Schools. Now let's check out this well-maintained 3-bedroom ranch, first floor laundry, 2.5 baths. As you tour through this house, you're going to notice how well-maintained it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything clean and ready to move in. Now, showings on this property do start tomorrow, and I'll tell you this, we're getting booked up. Priced aggressively, slightly below market at $425,000. This property is absolutely gorgeous. To schedule your private showing, give me a call at 248-214-4105. The primary bath here has been totally redone with a walk-in shower, and actually they did a really nice job. It's spacious, you can get in and out easily. The rest of the home, check out some of these photos. You can see they're getting ready to move. Downstairs, we have a full finished basement, giving you a lot of extra living room. Here's a neat little surprise. What's that in the wall over there? Let's take a closer look. The built-in fish tank adds a little whimsy and a little coolness to the basement. Now, if you like working on projects, you got this wonderful workshop downstairs also, and you can see where it is so handy. But don't miss out. Give us a call at 248-214-4105 before it's too late.